Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable personal hotspot to connect some Wi-Fi or internet to the other device. So first of all, go to the settings here option and there search for connection and sharing here. Now go to the personal hotspot here, and there is a few options that you can do. So first of all, you can enable it, of course, by tapping here. You can get QR code to connect to the other device. Just open your camera and just look it on it, or of course you can change your name of the Wi-Fi and the password which you want to connect to your other device. Okay, you can tap the new password and that's it. Other device can connect to your phone right now, and after that there be here how many devices is connected to your phone, and that's it. I hope the video was helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!